What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back for another video. It's been a hot minute. Today, I stopped on my way home from work at the Meijer up near work, and they had a bunch. I only grabbed one because of the price, but they had a bunch of the Panini Prizm WNBA blasters. 40 bucks, pretty steep. I wanted to try one, so that's what I picked up. 24 cards, 6 blaster exclusivized Prizms. Retail exclusive black finite checkerboard Prizms. Ultra rare blue and green pulsar Prizms. So, let's do it to it. Obviously, we know who we're looking for. Caitlin, Angel, Cameron. Then Asia Wilson, Sabrina Ionescu. Elena Deladon, I'll be cool to pull too. There's the stuff we're looking for. If you want to pause that, take a look. I wanted to grab more, but I just couldn't do it. It's pretty steep. All right, there's our 6 packs. Let's do it. Feels like forever since I made a video. I got a mail day I'll be making too. Okay, starting off with Breanna Stewart. Diana Taurasi, retired now. Dejanay Carrington on the green. And J.C. Sheldon. On the ice. Take that. There we go. That's Sabrina. Diamond to Shields on that blue. What is it? Yeah, whatever it is. It's the blue. Diamond Miller. And there we go. Camila Cardoso for Chicago Sky. Rookie, take that. Usually I don't do that, but I'm trying not to show the back card just in case. Hey, Nico Mole, rookie. So we're getting some decent rookies. Breanna Stewart on the silver. Oh, shit. Oh, I definitely picked the right one. Tara McCowan. Sweet. Ice Caitlin Clark, or silver, yeah, cracked ice Caitlin Clark. Yes, that is freaking awesome. That is awesome. Hold on one second here. At least want to get this sleeved up. Sweet. All right. All right. It's funny too, because the top shelf, there was a whole row of these sitting there. And then the middle shelf, there was one blaster of this sitting on top of some baseball stuff. So I grabbed the one blaster that was sitting out of place. That's freaking awesome. That is awesome. All right, Jalen Sherrod, rookie. Jordan Canada. Emily Engstler on the blue, and Brittany Sykes on the ice. All right, last 2 packs. This is definitely a success. Ezzie McBigger. Got a top tier, Jewel Lloyd. Another ice, Maya Caldwell. And Natasha Howard. All right, final pack. I'm not sure if I'll get any more of this. I want to press my luck. I'd love to pull a Caitlin auto, though. Damn, I'd love to pull an auto. Joyner Holmes. Nafisa Collier on the blue. Alicia Gray on the ice. And Lexi Brown. All right, so we did good. Jalen Sherrod rookie, Nika Mole rookie, Camila Cardoso rookie. I set Sabrina aside too. And then our inserts: Alicia Gray ice, Nafisa Collier blue, Maya Caldwell ice, Jewel Lloyd top tier, Brittany Sykes ice, Emily Ainsler blue, Brianna Stewart on the silver, Diamond Miller ice, Diamond DeShields blue, JC Sheldon rookie ice, forgot to set one aside, and Dejanay Carrington on the green. And then the big one, we got the Caitlin cracked ice. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what it goes for. I do not care. It's staying in the PC. Not even looking it up. Don't care. That one's staying in the PC. That's cool. Very happy with that. All right. So, that's a success. Very happy with this one. Like I said, not sure if I'll get any more. Don't want to press my luck, but then again, damn, I'd love to pull an auto of hers. So, I don't know. We'll see. But that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to do a mail day also. So, stay tuned for that. Got some cool stuff, so we'll go through that. But that's it for now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And stay safe, stay healthy, and talk to you later.